Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these beautiful, easy and fast motifs as part of this collection of motifs that I'm creating for the design. First, I recorded how to do these beautiful hearts. After, how I do this beautiful motif. I absolutely love the way these ones look. And now I'm going to show you how to do these ones. I still have to create some more, but today we're going to learn how to do these ones. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on that little bell. That way you get notifications each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel and you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And don't forget the thumbs up. That way you help me here in my channel. For this design, I'm going to use exactly the same yarn that I used before. They are the Lucerne Thread Impeccable, medium 4, 100% acrylic. The color is aqua and lippy. In the first video, I show you how to do the hearts. After, I show you how to do these beautiful, beautiful motifs. And now I'm going to show you how to do these small ones. The crochet hook is the same 5mm. You're going to need tapestry needle and scissors. This is a very easy and fast motif. It's a small motif. It's done in 2 rounds. So you're gonna again wrap on your finger 6 times like the design before. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're gonna come here. I lost that. Sorry about that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna do this, and because the nail, sometime I come undone my 6th loop. I pass my hook, and I'm gonna pass the yarn through, and I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over. You're gonna do 16 double crochet. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And right now you see that I don't have any more space, but you have to move these in order to work the other stitches. So 13, 14, move again, 15, and 16. You're going to finish with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. You're going to cut your yarn. You're going to bring it to the front, and I'm going to pass it to the back. I'm going to lose that tail, and then we'll do round 2. Now with this one we're going to do the crab stitch. I'm going to do a slip knot. And you're going to pass through any of these loops like this. You're gonna pass it to the front. You're gonna chain one in the same space. You're gonna do your first backward single crochet. So you grab your hook, you pass it through the same loop, and grab your yarn, bring it to the front, and you have your first one. Go to the next one, pass it through, bring it to the front, and you have your second. And always you're passing through these two strands, grabbing your yarn, and when you bring the yarn to the front, that yarn will be in the front of the hook. And you're gonna pass your loop through, and like this is how you create a nice crab stitch all the way around your motif. I absolutely love doing this. Like that. You're gonna continue working on each space, and like I say, always passing through here, grabbing the strand, pass it to the front, and always stay in the front. And you're gonna continue working in here. I'm here at the space where I did the slip, so I have to make sure that I grab really well this. And I go to the last one, and now here this loop, what you're gonna do, you're gonna pass your hook through the first one, to the first space. Let me see, because we have a few in there. Yes, I did. Pass it to the back. Let me move the tail out of the way. So you're gonna do a slip, you're gonna cut your yarn, pass it through, you're gonna pull and fix that there, and it looks perfect. Now we're gonna lose the tail, and you're done this motif. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love the way these motifs look. I had to make many more of these, the same as these other ones. I had to make more. I enjoy making this. I absolutely love it. I want to make a jacket or a sweater with this, but I don't gonna do a tutorial on how to put it all together. I just gonna show you how to do the motifs. I have to do some other designs, but if you buy a membership for my channel, I will make a tutorial and I will post it just for the members. But you have to buy the membership in order to receive a tutorial once I'm done all these beautiful motifs and put them together to create a beautiful piece. Well, I hope you guys like it, and give it a try and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make this beautiful motif and you make anything with them and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and group, and don't forget that thumbs up. That way you help me here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.